Welcome to the official channel of Tab Travels. Here are the list to top 10 places to visit in Kolkata.
Belur Math, located on the banks of the Hooghly River near Kolkata, is the headquarters of the Ramakrishna Mission, founded by Swami Vivekanand, and is renowned for its peaceful atmosphere, spiritual significance, and distinctive temple architecture symbolizing unity of all religions.
Dakshineshwar Kali Temple, situated on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River near Kolkata, is a famous Hindu pilgrimage site dedicated to goddess Kali. Built in 1855 by Rani Rashmoni, the temple is closely associated with Sri Ramakrishna and attracts devotees year-round.
Hava Bridge, officially known as Rabindra Setu, is an iconic cantilever bridge spanning the Hooghly River in Kolkata. Opened in 1943, it connects Hava and Kolkata and is one of the busiest bridges in the world, symbolizing the city's engineering brilliance and vibrant daily life.
Victoria Memorial, located in the heart of Kolkata, is a grand marble monument built in memory of Queen Victoria. Surrounded by lush gardens, it now houses a museum showcasing colonial history, art, and heritage, and stands as one of Kolkata's most iconic landmarks.
Prinsep Ghat is a historic riverside monument located on the banks of the Hooghly River in Kolkata. Built in 1843 during the British era, it features elegant Greek and Gothic architectural elements. Today, Prinsep Ghat is a popular spot for evening strolls, river cruises, photography, and enjoying scenic sunset views along the riverfront.
St. Paul's Cathedral, located near Victoria Memorial in Kolkata, is a magnificent Anglican church known for its Gothic revival architecture. Built in 1847, it features beautiful stained glass windows and a peaceful interior, making it an important landmark of colonial heritage and spiritual calm. Birla Planetarium, situated near Victoria Memorial in Kolkata, is one of the largest planetariums in Asia. Opened in 1963, it offers engaging astronomy shows and exhibitions, making it a popular educational and tourist attraction for all age groups. Jora Sanko Thakur Bari, located in North Kolkata, is the ancestral home of Rabindranath Tagore, India's first Nobel laureate. This historic mansion played a vital role in Bengal's cultural and intellectual renaissance. Today, it functions as a museum showcasing Tagore's life, works, paintings, and personal belongings. The house also hosts cultural programs, exhibitions, and events that celebrate literature, music, and art. With its traditional architecture and rich heritage, Jora Sanko Thakur Bari offers visitors deep insight into Tagore's legacy and Bengal's artistic history, making it an important cultural landmark in Kolkata.
Kalighat Kali Temple, one of the oldest and most sacred temples in Kolkata, is dedicated to goddess Kali. Considered a revered Shakti Pitha, it attracts millions of devotees each year and is an important center of faith, ritual worship, and spiritual tradition in West Bengal.
Indian Museum is the oldest and largest museum in India. Established in 1814, it houses an extensive collection of artifacts including ancient sculptures, fossils of dinosaurs, coins, Egyptian mummies, and artworks, offering deep insight into India's history, culture, and natural heritage.
Netaji Bhavan, located on Elgin Road in Kolkata, is the ancestral home of Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose. Now a museum, it displays photographs, personal belongings, and documents that highlight the life, struggle, and legacy of one of India's greatest freedom fighters. The car in which Netaji made the great escape to West to garner support is also on display here.